You ready for a road trip?
So we're heading to New York to pick up a cool vintage camper.
We'll see what we think of it in person.
We just checked it out. We liked it. It's missing a couple things, so we need to make sure that the lights attach to the brake lights so people don't run into us, because we might be driving at night. So we were going to the hardware store. The guy we're going to buy it from said that he found a little adapter piece for the lights, so I feel a little safer and more confident about taking this through the mountains. So fingers crossed they work.
What do you think, Humperdinck?
See if there's any free beer.
They've been hooking it up for a long time. What a nice guy Mark is. And here we go, hoping that the van can go from a sit still to actually pulling this thing up the hill. It's happening, it's happening. Woo woo!
There's no railroad. I'll text you and let you know.
Thanks for everything.
Oh, you're so welcome. There's a camper on the back of our car right now.
Part of the door.
Oh, great. At least I caught it.
Yeah. What are we, like a mile up the road?
Yeah, not even.
Part of the door fell off. Wish us luck.
It's just a trim.
How many more miles do we have left?
90.
Only 90 more miles. We can do this, right?
At least I saw it.
Yeah.
Is it normal for your trailer to like rock a little bit and pull your car back and forth?
Dude, you just made it up a big hill from a stop.
Not bad. So I think I found where the leak is. Up here, look at this. It's all done. That's probably leaking through here, clearly. And then that spot too is a hole. But the rest of it is in pretty decent shape. So I have an RV cover ordered. But so I'll put that over top, but in the meantime, I'll probably trim this back and seal it up. So we got our RV cover folded the right way supposedly. And what I'm doing before I put it on is I am kind of putting just cutting some scrap foam, and I'm duct taping it to kind of the sharp edges. They kind of give you them for gutters, but there's some sharp stuff, so I figured it's worth kind of protecting some of this stuff and spending like 10 minutes to prevent it from ripping from the wind blowing it all winter. So we'll see how this works, and hopefully the camper will be nice and sealed up until springtime when we work on it. So I'm going to put the wheel covers on that came with it. You can see. Isn't that nice? They're going to clip the back so they're nice and tight.
Oops. Woo! Where are you? Are you under here? Oh boy.
Oh, yeah.